Inserting the armour coil into the tapped hole is a relatively easy operation. Successful installation is dependent on having a properly prepared hole, using the correct tool with a good end form, and never pushing while installing. Let the insert do the work, and above all, be gentle. Installation tools come in many forms to cover most production requirements. The standard hand tool is the most commonly used tool in the industry. Dedicated to one thread size, and with practice, it is relatively quick. Place it over the hole. Another tip, don't hold the body too tight as you start winding into the hole. Correct itself. Simply retract the mandrel clear of the chamber and insert the armour coil. Notice the tang goes towards the nozzle. Wind the insert into the pre-winder, the nozzle end. Another tip, use 2 fingers on the handle to evenly distribute the pressure and not pull the tool out of line. Feeling the pressure relax, lift the tool body clear to see the end of the armour coil. When it is flush, give the mandrel 1/4 to 1/2 a turn. The insert is now correctly installed.